But the 1 year rate is going to be different, right? Let's get in the, come on, markets, the treasuries. Well, 1 year rate is 384. Remember, for these purposes, I am foreign. Let's see the 1 year uh, German rate. One nine oh nine. And current exchange rate, I'm going to say 116.40. So a 1 year forward rate is going to be 118.61, right? How about 2 years? Let's make this two. Let's just change the rates. 1897, 362.30. Maybe I should add some more digits to these. It's even higher. Let's do 10 years. The US 10-year rate is 423.8. 10 years German rate. By the way, German bonds are called Bunds. You're thinking that's a German word for bond. You would be mistaken. Bund is short for Bundesrepublik, which means Federal Republic in German.
I did have a question. When it
Yeah.
comes to, I know you said we'll be getting like groups and stuff like for this class. Is this kind of the stuff that we'll be doing
Yeah.
for our assignments and stuff? Okay.
I mean, I'll basically give you a problem to solve. That means you're going to have to get the information, put it down together, calculate numbers, and think about those numbers. Interpret.
Will this start next week?
Yeah. I mean, I'll give you your first assignment after next Wednesday. So basically, by the end of this Friday, let me know who do you want in your group. If you already have 3 people, you want to be in the same group, fine. Otherwise, you can say, okay, I want to work together. You can add another third one. Or sometimes you can say, I don't care. Just make sure that person is not here. I don't want to put, only I would know who that is. I don't want to put you into a group unless you give me your group where you don't want to work with someone. I mean, we wouldn't want that to happen, but maybe you guys have beefs from before. I don't know. And 10-year bonds are 269.5. As you can see, 10-year forward rate is actually much higher, right? So the way you, okay, we have about 20 minutes, so we can, this is for, I'm going to do, so let's talk about 1, 2. You can extend this to multiple years, but let's just do this. So let's do Germans. There's no 10-year for German? No. Oh, okay, there it is. I'm going to copy, paste them here. Oh, there's no 8. In situations like these, I typically average the neighboring ones. Let's do the same thing for US. We have 1, 2. Come on, man. Say it again. US what? Oh, I mean, that's for early stuff. I mean, obviously Germans have the months as well, but CNBC simply doesn't follow them. But we have resources to get them. So 1, 2, 3 is already available. You have 5. I have 7. And I have 10. I'll use the average formulas for these. This is going to be a little bit trickier. I'm going to have 2 times the 7-year rate plus 10-year rate. Similarly, 2 times the 10-year rate plus the 7-year rate. I'm basically splicing them. And let's assume that these are your yield curves, okay? I like expressing these as percents. Now, if you want to divide a group of numbers with the same number, write the number somewhere, copy, select those numbers, right click, paste special, go to paste special, values, divide. What happens here? Oh, because I have formulas there too. Yeah. Let me make these values first. Now, Okay. The reason I'm doing this, I'm going to calculate the implied forward rates for each of those years. So let's put in the spot rate, whatever that is. These are all years, so I'm going to basically do spot rate times 1 plus the foreign rate raised to the power number of years divided by 1 plus the domestic. Since I'm going to keep using this, let's see. Okay. Oh, I know what's wrong. Okay. All right.